Hey there. Struggling with the frustrating Cash App Please Try Again Later message on your iPhone? You're not alone. This common issue can interrupt your financial transactions and cause unnecessary stress. But don't worry. In this guide, we'll dive into step-by-step solutions that can help you resolve this problem and get your transactions back on track. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First things first. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Cash App requires a reliable connection to function properly. If you're on Wi-Fi, check if other devices are experiencing network issues. Try switching to cellular data if Wi-Fi seems unstable, or vice versa. Restarting your router might also help in restoring the connection. Step 2. Update the Cash App. Keeping your apps updated ensures you have the most recent features and bug fixes. Go to the App Store on your iPhone and check if there's an update available for Cash App. If yes, update it and then restart the app. Outdated versions may sometimes cause glitches, so ensuring you're up to date can resolve many issues. Step 3. Restart your iPhone. A simple restart can work wonders for most technical issues. Restarting your iPhone can clear temporary glitches and refresh the system. Press and hold the power button until you see the slide to power off option. After your device is off, wait a few seconds and then turn it back on. Once rebooted, open Cash App to see if the issue persists. Step 4. Check Cash App servers. Sometimes the problem might not be on your end. Cash App servers occasionally go down, which may cause the "Please try again later" error. Check online platforms like Twitter for any announcements from Cash App about server issues, or use websites like Down Detector to see if other users are reporting the same problem. If it's a server issue, all you can do is wait for Cash App to resolve it. Step 5. Clear cache and data. Clearing the cache and data can help eliminate corrupted files that might be causing issues. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on General, then tap on iPhone Storage. Find Cash App in the list of apps, tap it, and then choose to offload app. After it's offloaded, reinstall the app from the App Store. Step 6. Contact Cash App support. If the problem persists despite trying all these solutions, it may be time to reach out to Cash App support. Open the Cash App and navigate to the support section to submit a request. Provide them with as much detail as possible to expedite the troubleshooting process. Dealing with the Cash App Please Try Again Later error on your iPhone can be frustrating, but following these steps can help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. From checking your internet connection to contacting support, these solutions cover everything you need to clear the error message and regain smooth access to Cash App. Remember to stay patient, and soon you'll have your financial transactions running smoothly once more.